Dear ones, the general education sector in Kerala today excels in our country. The intervention of the state government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Pinarayi Vijayan were crucial to revitalize the general education scenario. The general education rejuvenation campaign implemented during 2017-2021 imprinted grand impacts to revamp this sector. As part of this, we have been able to achieve many infrastructure and academic achievements in the field of general education. Our teachers, students, parents and the general public worked together to materialize a number of innovative academic practices in the arena which are being discussed around the world today as part of raising our schools to international standards. We have identified 24 innovative academic initiatives covering various districts in Kerala in 4 categories, namely lower primary, upper primary, high school and higher secondary, just before the COVID pandemic scenario. A committee of academic experts screened all these projects and we present them as testimonies of academic excellence from government and aided schools in Kerala. We documented such innovative practices in written as well as digital form for future posterity and other educational institutions as sharing of best practices. Proper convergence of various academic institutions including DGE, Nerkazhcha Kerala, KITE, State Institute of Educational Technology and DIETS were ensured during the selection and documentation of these academic initiatives. I formally present these digital documents and congratulating all those people who involved for materializing this venture. Thank you.
Theyyam is a famous ritual art form that originated in North Kerala, which brings to light the great stories of our state. It encompasses dance, mime and music. It exalts the beliefs of our ancient tribals who gave a lot of importance to the worship of heroes and the spirit of their ancestors. As part of their text related to folk art and culture, the children of Standard 4 were taken to places in their locality. The children found the title Land of Arts as true when they came into contact with the Theyyam artist in their hometown. It was a pleasant trip that engaged their minds with the wonders of the land. They were able to experience the art form and also interviewed the artist. It was also a journey in search of plant diversity that led the children to Narayanattan's farm. He was an organic farmer who took us to an area dense with vegetation, guiding them round the place. Direct observation helped the children to learn more about flora. The children got to experience and explore the lessons of nature, which cover a diverse world of plants like trees, vines, small plants, and medicinal plants.
This is GLPS Kozhummal's Direct View Field Trip program. There are so many activities as part of this program. This is a journey in search of plant diversity. Various species of plants are seen in the farm of A.V. Narayanatan. The textbook lesson includes observing the plants around us as well as recording their names and classifying them. The field trip is also intended to provide a first-hand awareness of leaf alignments like reticulate alignment and parallel syllable alignment.
The study of India's great history of freedom struggle becomes worthwhile when the child learns about the local struggles in tune with freedom struggle movements. The Karivallur agitation of December 20th, 1946 was one of the brightest episodes in the history of nation's freedom struggle. The struggle was for the motherland and food.
ആ പുഴയിലൂടെയാണ് നെല്ല് ചറക്കലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവന്നത്.
അതിനാണ് പറയുന്നത് വാശി ദൂരി. പിന്നെ അളക്കാൻ ഒരാൾ വരില്ലേ, ആ വരുന്ന പറ ഇന്നത്തെ മാതിരി തൂക്കിയിട്ടല്ല നെല്ല് കൊടുക്കല്. പറ കണ്ടിനാ ഞങ്ങൾ പറ കണ്ടിനാ. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ഈ പൊളിച്ചെടുത്ത്, അതായത് 12 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞ് വീണ്ടും കൃഷിഭൂമി കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ കൊടുക്കേണ്ട നികുതിയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പൊളിച്ചെടുത്ത്.
Children started their own paddy cultivation near the school with the message, "Our paddy is our food," in connection with the project Lesson 1 to the Field. Through daily visit to paddy fields, the children were able to understand the different stages in paddy cultivation. A product is formed as a result of the efforts of different workers. Each profession has its own dignity. The loom on the school premises became another school for the children. Through the visit to the post office, the children were able to get an accurate knowledge about the postal system. Inland, postcard, postage stamps, and mailboxes sparked the curiosity of the children. We can learn environmental studies from anywhere. If they go out of the classroom, observe and study, it will be more beneficial for the children. Government LPS Kozhummal instilled the concept of environmental studies through field trips. Local short trips and 9 local field trips were organized with public support. It helped in making the most of local resources in the knowledge building process. The aim was to impart to the children of standards 3rd and 4th the benefits of learning the subject environmental studies. The aim was to develop skills like self-study, create awareness of history of environment, recognize the dignity of labor, etc. An acquaintance with agriculture and flora, sky watching and bird watching were also done under this program.
മായ വി കെ ഗംഗാധരൻ മാസ്റ്റർ ഞങ്ങളെ സന്തോഷത്തോടെ സ്വീകരിച്ചു. മലകളുടെ നാട് എന്ന പാഠഭാഗവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് തെയ്യം കലയെക്കുറിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കാനായിരുന്നു ഞങ്ങൾ കൊഴുമ്മൽ മാക്കിൽ മുണ്ടേക്കാവിലെത്തിയത്. കാവിലെത്തിയ ഉടനെ ഞങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം കണ്ടത് തെയ്യത്തിന്റെ മുഖത്തെഴുത്തായിരുന്നു. തറയിൽ മലർന്നു കിടക്കുന്ന തെയ്യക്കാരന്റെ മുഖത്ത് ചുവപ്പും കറുപ്പും മഞ്ഞയും കലർന്ന നിറങ്ങൾ കൊണ്ട് ഒരാൾ എഴുതുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എല്ലാം പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള വർണ്ണങ്ങളാണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചപ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലായി. തെയ്യത്തിന്റെ മെയ്യാഭരണങ്ങൾ, മറ്റ് അലങ്കാരങ്ങൾ എന്നിവയും ചോദിച്ചു മനസ്സിലാക്കി. പിന്നീട് കാവിനുള്ളിൽ കെട്ടിയാടിയ രക്തചാമുണ്ടിയെ കണ്ടു. ഭക്തർക്ക് അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങൾ ചൊരിയുന്ന തെയ്യത്തിന്റെ രൂപം എന്നും എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ നിലനിൽക്കും.
Children love field trips. Through social interactive learning, teaching and learning process becomes very exciting, and the creative experience it offers is immense. The experience that they gain from Nerkazhcha never ends.